Greeting. This is Mark. We're going to be looking at how to get started with Microsoft Word. Yes, you might be new to this Microsoft Word. You don't know exactly where to start, how to get it, and all of that. And if you watch this video to the end, you become pro and how to use it. Right? So some of the stuff that we're going to look at right here is very critical. To notice how to open a blank document. So I'm going to show you different ways in which you can actually open up that blank document. Right? I want to show you how you can save the document, enter paragraph in the document, and there's a code I can use to get some paragraph here. It's insert header and footer. You might not familiar with that one, but I'm going to show you exactly. Job cap all the first letter in all paragraph. Add paragraph border to the document. So bear this in mind that paragraph border is different from page border. To add a page border to the document. The right here is to insert a photo and put it in the middle of the paragraph. So these are the instructions that we're actually going to go through. So the first thing I want to do, I want to come here and I want to bring up a Microsoft Word. Alright. So notice this is the first way. I have it in the taskbar right here. So I click it. Right, and there you go, and you're going to select a blank one. So I'm going to close it and show you next here again. You can put it cursor right here on desktop. You can right click right here. You go down and notice this little window come up. You go to Word New and go across, and this itself is the Microsoft Word. You click on it. That's the Microsoft Word. You can come right here in the search bar. Here, you click. And when you click, there you type Word W. You're looking for Word. Right there. If you notice right up here, Word, you're gonna click. Right, and there you go. That's Word. Right, and these are some of the way you can actually look for Microsoft Word. So I'm going to open this one right here. That actually open. So at least you know exactly how to open this particular Microsoft Word. All right, very important. So we're going to look at the next instruction now. That's what the next instruction says. All right, the next instruction says save the document. Very important. So we're going to save the document. So in order for me to save the document, if you notice right up here, see the word file. These are tab. Yes, tab. So I want to click on the file. When I click on the file, what you see this blue screen come up here, but you see info, you see new, you see open, save as, print, share, export, close, account, and all of that. What I want to focus on is right here, save as. What's the difference between save and save as? Save as is when you put a name to the document, and save is when you actually type something in the document. Right, so we're going to click on the word save as. Notice right here, you can click right here, so take it to the desktop, or you can click word browse. Here, we take it at the same place. Right, so remember now actually saving receiving this particular document. You notice you bring up this particular window right here. Notice right here, to show a name right here. So I'm going to type in item my word. Right, and you want to make sure you come to your scroll bar and scroll up. Okay, you want to make sure it says save it on desktop. This is your desktop. You click, and then right here, notice you see the word save. Right here, so you want to click and click on the word save. Right here. Good. So that's exactly how you actually save the document. Very important. So let's look at the other instruction right here. You know, say that instructions to enter paragraph in the document. Right. You know, type paragraph kind of take a while. So I'm going to show you a code you can get some paragraph. It's going to type equal RAND. They're going to put a bracket. But if you notice it's equal RAND, it's a code. Right. And any number put inside the bracket, that's the amount of paragraph I'm going to actually get, right? So if you notice, let me move 8 and just put 9 instead. So notice equal RAND, right? It's a code, and put the bracket for whatever in the bracket, give you the amount of paragraph. So when you finish now, you just press enter. So notice, these are the paragraphs. So these are one of the way you can actually get some paragraph right here. Let's scroll up. All right, so these are some paragraph right here. Very important here, very impressive right here. At least you learn one section right here. Right, let me look at another instruction. All right, next instruction says to insert a header and a footer. Right, so we're going to put in a header and a footer. So the first thing that we wanted to do, right, we want to come right here, insert. And we're going to click on insert. When you click on insert, you're going to come all the way over here. You notice this is the header and footer. But you notice right here, so show the header. So you're going to click. When you click, you notice you're going to show you different types of header right here. You can actually come on the side here and scroll up. As you notice, there's a different type of header right here. I still can actually scroll up, see more. But if you notice right here, you can actually edit the header right here. Right, and this one you can still scroll down, see more. Right, you notice different types of header. You can actually go back up. You scroll, scroll, just the same. Scroll, scroll, scroll. Right, that's it. So it's up to you which one you want to choose. Right, I'm going to choose this one. Right, you notice it's a type here. Right, I'm going to type something there. I'm going to type all about computer. Good. Therefore, I can actually block it like that. You notice this little dialog box come up here. I can actually increase it one side by clicking right here to find the side element and come like that. I can even come right at this little A and click it also increase. I can actually change the color like that, put it into a different color. Here I can pull it if I really want right here. Right, so I can actually come right up here so to home. I can actually center it, right? You notice this is left, center, and this one is self aligned, and this one justify. So if I click center, notice it's actually up in the center. So if I want to close, I can actually click right out here, like that. And notice, good. The next thing that I wanted to do is the footer. So go right back where it says insert. Notice this is the footer. You're gonna click. You notice a different type of footer you have right here. You can actually scroll down. Just the same. You notice there are different type of footer. You can actually edit a footer just the same. Alright, scroll up back. Alright, I'm gonna select the first one up here. Good. You notice it's a type here. I'm gonna type something and say create by from. Good. And then I can actually put a date here. So I can say 2/5/7 rather /2 just like that. When you finish, you notice right up here, so close it down, put that. You can just click right out here, so I'm just close it. So I'm going to click right here. I'm going to close it. All right, let me look at the document. No one look and you will see. Notice right here in the footer. See? Right here, very important. Let me go back up to the next section. Notice this is the header. All right, and see the footer. It's coming out nicely. So the next thing that I wanted to look at right here. It's a job cap, all the first letter in all the paragraph. So that's exactly what we're going to do is the job cap. All right, so how we're going to do that? Now, the first thing you want to do is to block the first letter. Just like that. You notice? Maybe struggle for some of you, but just take a look at time and block it. And you're going to click on the word insert. You notice you come right up to the insert tab. You click, you're going to come all the way to your left. You notice where you see the word text. Notice right here, so it's a job cap. You're going to click right there, look a pointer. You notice you show your job. Notice immediately over here, just look over here when I was going to put it on there. Notice. And if I come right here, notice. Here it is, so you can actually edit. So I'm going to click. All right. So when you're looking at a book sometime, you see exactly the word come down. This is exactly what they see. All right. I'm going to get this one now. At the time I notice that right there, I'm going to click on job. I'm going to click. Good. Very important there. You want to take your time. Let me go up out here. Let's block this one now. Good. Then I'm going to tap again. Just like that. I'll do this one just same for all of them. Very important. Let me see. Good. Have more. So let me take a look at time and block them. This is just a step-by-step video in which you can actually follow. And if you find that you don't get it, the only thing that you have to do is just play over the video, or you can pause it and then you do some write a little notes in the meantime, and then you go again, right? And that's exactly what you do. So now finish job cap all of this now. And this is exactly our document looks like now. So we're going to be looking at the other instruction and see what coming up next. Right? It's the other paragraph further. The other paragraph further to the document. Very, very important, this one now. So what we wanted to do, the other paragraph further. But if you notice this paragraph here, now that I add a border, I have to block it like that. Notice when I block it, I'm going to come up here to the word home. Home tab, very important. So you have to know exactly where to find what and what not to find what. Alright, so when you click right, you're going to come all the way right this in paragraph. You notice this little thing like a window, you're going to click right at the side right here, look a pointer. You're going to come down, you notice where it says all border or outside border. And you want to click on it. So go to this is a paragraph border. So paragraph border is different from a page border. Let me see what next. Alright, you notice this is a paragraph border, so it's add a page border to the document. So now we're going to add a page border. So now we just have a paragraph border. So we want now is a page border. Right? So in order for us to do the page border right here, we're going to come up here and click on the design. Notice I click on the design to your far right. You notice the page background. Notice the watermark, page color. Alright, page border, you're going to click right here. Notice you bring up this dialog box. But if you notice this dialog box can actually move anywhere you want it and all of that. But if you come like that, it's not sizable. So what you notice you have none, box, shadow, and all of that. So whatever you click right here, determine how to look like. But as you can see, this is what we want as a page border to. But if you notice, this is the display area. So anything you do right here, display here, for you see exactly where you go here. So if I come right here and click on one of these borders, you notice right over here, show you exactly what border we look on. But if you come like this, and I click one of these, you notice. But if you border stick, right, you want it thinner, you can even come right here and click, right? And so if you want color, you can actually color it just like that. What if I don't like this border? I want some prettier border. I can come all the way down here. Notice the word art right here. The word none. Notice right at this little down arrow, gonna click. Notice. And if I click on this one, you notice to show you display. But if you don't like this one, now you can scroll. There's a scroll bar right here. You can keep scroll and scroll and scroll and scroll and scroll to the one that you really want. Yes. So you can keep on scroll. Very important. I'm going to take this one. You notice? But if you notice how thick it is, I can come right here. Notice right here. So the width. I can come right here. Alright, use the down arrow. Notice this time I carry you notice the time coming in. Alright, let me keep on moving. Alright, keep it moving. Alright, and notice, very important. So this is exactly how it looks. You're going to come right here and click on word OK. And notice this is my page border. Neat and all of that. Let's scroll it up. That's exactly how it looks. Good. This is how page border look like. So in this instruction, what we want to look at right here. It's a insert a photo and put it in the middle of the paragraph. Very critical, right? So therefore, what you wanted to do, come right up here to insert, you're going to click and insert tab. If you notice right here, it's an online picture and say picture. So you're going to click picture. When you click picture, this will take you directly to your computer desktop. But this one will take online, but I want to go to the desktop. Now click on the desktop, you notice this is what comes up. Right, so over here, I can scroll up like that. Right, and I can come like this and click on the desktop. You notice you show the word photo and all of that. So I'm going to select the word photo right here. Right, if you notice it's in a folder. But if I click insert, what it does, it opens the folder. Good, so now it opens the folder. So I want to click on this image here. When I click on it, if you notice right here, show you cancel, show you insert, I'm going to click insert. But if you notice, I click it, notice this is the picture come up here. You notice I try to move it like that. You notice it actually stay like that. I can actually come up like that. But if I want to adjust the photo, what I can do, I can wrap text. I can right click on the text. You notice this is where wrap text, right? And I can write here, so text line, the text right here, so I can square it. Right here, I can set type, can go through, back to top and bottom and all of that. But I want to put it on tight. Now I put it on tight. When I put it on tight, I can put the cursor on it and hold it and cut on like that. You notice in between the words like that. And if I come like that, you notice how it fits in between the words, just like that. And if I come down like this is exactly how it looks like. Right, I'm going to try a different photo again. I insert it here, this one here. It's going to take me directly here, so I'm going to try this one. Put it right here. But if you notice how this one come up big, don't worry. One thing I have to do is come to the top right here. Notice the wrap text, just click. All right, you notice you're going to come down, you can guide as a square or tight, but we want to focus on the word tight. So click on word tight. Now click on word tight. You notice it's going to go round circle at the end right here. So put the cursor right here. If you're using a laptop, you just hold on the left side touchpad, using a mouse, hold on the left side and mouse, and they come down just like that. All right, you notice you do the same thing right here. All right, so take your time here and carry right down to where you want. Right, and if you notice, photo take time coming out. Right, if you notice it actually fitting in between so far. Right, so if you notice up here now we have some area in which we can actually put it in shape. Come like this and click. If I click right here, this little function now can come like this. So when it's like that, you notice right look in between right here. So now, so if I come like that, this is exactly how the photo look right in the middle of the paragraph right there. So very important. So this is how it look like. And sometimes notice when I open book, and then they see all the photo in the middle of the paragraph, you want to go and get it. So this is exactly what I'm really getting, right? So that was the last instruction right there. So now you know exactly how to do or get started with this Microsoft Word document. Thanks for your time. Share it. See you in the next video.